Hi, I'm Tasman, and today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan lip balm using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then click on the lip balm build, and then select Create. Firstly, I'm going to select my lipids. I'm going to pick the almond oil. This has a medium to heavy skin feel, so it's going to give good emolliency and it's going to help to soften dry skin. And I'm also going to pick avocado oil. This has a heavy skin feel, which is going to be great for dry skin as well. Next is my consistency factor. Now you do want a mixture of hard and soft waxes. So I'm going to select the carnauba wax as my hard wax and the hydrogenated vegetable oil, and these are both vegan friendly. Next is my antioxidant. Just going to select the tocopherols mixed. And lastly, I'm going to select a flavour for my lip balm, and you can just select one of your own. And then select Generate Method. And there you have a full formula method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a vegan lip balm using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own vegan lip balm. Happy formulating!